Hi, Roberta. I got the side view just like you guys asked for.
Oh, sí, ya le hizo una pera.
Thank you, Ana. I'm glad that it does. Mira. You think so? Absolutely, Susanna. Thank you for the great advice. I did not know I can turn the phone sideways for Facebook Live. Well, I had to end it to turn it sideways, but I'm glad that I started it sideways. Yes, yes, his flight did land. It landed at 11:08, but we're not sure why he's not here yet. We're thinking that he's taking the long way.
Customs.
Oh, yes. Thank you, John. I'm so happy that it's a better view for you guys. And again, if I am shaky, forgive me. You're welcome, Pauline. You guys know any deers who don't know if anyone is live, just tag them in so they can enjoy this live.
He's coming.
I wish I can hear all of you guys. I'm sure you guys are going to be screaming behind the screens.
I cried. Wait. Oh. And that was the first song I ever heard him sing live in October. Oh, God. You were close.
You're welcome. It's only for you, dears. For those who can't make it, this is for you guys. Woo-hoo!
They're the same seats for December for next week.
Yeah. This one's very
Look how beautiful. They're representing from China.
like sandstone.
I don't think so. I'm just gonna give him his space. I might extend my hand if he touches it. I think that's enough for me. I'm trying to get him to sign my jacket if he can. But I don't know.
We got to shake his hand when he was singing.
I know, everybody was running up, I know. 106.
Look downstairs.
Oh my God, Sonia, you should come. And I don't know about you, but people say people in New York are mean. They've been so sweet to me. And I've heard bad rumors, but I guess when you come into New York with a positive vibe, everything positive, everything turns out great. And that's what you get right here, especially with the deers. It's all about positivity. You're being surrounded by family.
11:40.
Oh my God, Sonia, me neither. Well,
Must have a lot of luggage.
I'm from Florida, but I'll go anywhere. I've been to China.
It's his show this time. It's his concert. He must be changing a lot of outfits.
You're right. You're right about that, because when I was going visiting the Statue of Liberty around that area, yeah, well, you can't stand there. And I didn't know where to pay for parking, so I ended up getting a hefty ticket. I have to pay for parking right now as I speak. I think it's $24 per hour, I'm not sure. But I guess it's all for Dimash, right? Yes, positive vibes. Leah, we wish you were here too.
The bald-headed guy. When I know he gets prepared, I know he's coming.
That's right.
Yes, it's about maybe 150, I don't even know. 150 people or more. Hi. Where are you guys from?
Brooklyn, New York.
What? Same? Wow, beautiful.
Garden City, New York.
Where's your there?
I can't wait to go to the party.
I've lived in the city for 2
We're not going to rush him out of here. We'll let him take his time. If he's comfortable, he'll stay longer. You follow me? I'm going to walk around here. Just stay where you are. Don't follow me out. Don't follow me out the building.
We will not.
We will not.
Not you will follow Dimash.
Yes, Sonia, he has landed. He's been landed.
We'll follow him.
We don't want to follow him.
Carly Rose, I would have loved for you to come.
We don't want to follow
His
him.
words. Don't follow him.
Ooh, will you be at the pre-party or concert?
We'll follow Dimash.
Yes, no police officers, probably outside. Well, we have security.
We'll follow Dimash.
I don't know if you guys can see security up there.
Wait, next time we come to the
Hi,
we will follow you. We'll follow him.
That's cute.
I can't wait to meet you guys. I'm like super shy. I'm not shy behind the camera, but yes, Sonia, that is what's up.
And I just said that on Facebook.
Yes, Carly. I can't wait to see you guys.
Yep, exactly.
I'm gonna be with a big smile. My muscles on my cheeks already hurt.
You heard that fans on Facebook? Don't follow him out.
Right? No, I won't follow him. I won't dare.
Yeah, we'll follow Dimash out.
I'll look for you. I'll come by and say hello. I think I'll wear white pants with high boots because it's gonna be raining. I brought a dress, but since I'm from Florida, I get extremely cold and I don't want to get sick. So I'm gonna be wearing white pants, high boots, these boots. I'm gonna be wearing these boots with white pants and a beautiful top. If your hands start shaking, just put the phone down and go crazy.
Judy Goody say that you can run.
I'll try not to dance. Everyone, all these ears have beautiful voices and I want to dance.
Not pronounced for the life of me.
But for you guys, I'm going to try to keep still. I want you guys to enjoy every live moment. Oh, it's okay. You hit my eyeball. It's okay, Mama.
Oops.
I flew into Connecticut. I was originally supposed to fly into New York, but I flew into Connecticut because my flight was delayed yesterday. And I was like, I'm not having it. I can't keep having delayed flights. And they gave me a free flight to Connecticut and back. But I do have an Airbnb here, which I don't even think I'm going to be in there often. It's a 1-queen bed. I was originally supposed to come with my sister. So we were going to share a room together, same bed too. But I'm all alone. I came all alone, all by myself to New York. Well, to Connecticut and then drove 2 hours to J.F.K. course, guys. You guys see this banner? It is lit. Oh my God, John, you gotta be here, man. Like I said, I originally was supposed to come on December 9th because I didn't think that I myself could ever be able to be in this position that I am. And I cannot believe that I'm actually here. Oh, Carly. Love it. Love it.
There. It's still there? Thank you, thank you, thank you. I see one.
There's a couple over there.
I hope so.
There's one here, there's 5 there, there's 2 there.
At least I feel more comfortable.
Thank you, Sonia.
People are not gonna stay in place.
I hope they do because we're supposed to respect
Before
it.
the beast comes out.
Me too. Janeem, is that how you say it?
Sorry for Brian.
There was a couple people here from Kazakhstan
I'm
too.
gonna find Brian here.
Aww. Listen, we have the pre-party and we have the concert.
It's mine.
She's on the bed with that bath and body.
¿O sí? Da un programa de Dimash todos los días. Eso me dice mi hermana. Sí.
Because I had somebody just to take flowers.
Espérate, Ángel aquí en el locutor. Le mandamos un saludo. Damos un saludo a Ángel, el locutor de México.
Hola.
Hola Ángel.
Saludos, Ángel.
Aquí esperando a Dimash.
Exactamente. Y estoy transmitiendo live.
No, you get on in there. Mira, esto es para ti. Saludos, saludos. Estoy contando de tu programa.
I'm afraid, Susana, that there are some people who are not part of the club who are going to follow him out, but I will remain respectful.
Bye. Mi hermana lo escucha.
There's like more than 150 fans here.
La emisora de
Many
México.
deers. I think, John, I am at the very end by the exit. I wanted to take this route because it was better to see. There's a long line, so that's why he's not there yet.
Still there.
I hope so too. I hope they don't follow him because then that'll give more positivity for him to come to New York every time without the need of going through a private entrance. So if we can continue this, if all of us can stay put, then I think that we can receive him in New York just like this every single time. Sorry.
Ay, ay, ay.
Uh-oh.
Guys, I think he's coming.
¿Ya viene? Quiero ponerme. Dicen que cuando venga para acá, que la gente va a empezar a
Okay, yo voy a estar así.
Okay.
So security was saying that when Dimash is walking down, it's pretty true that's gonna happen. The fans are gonna try to push against us, which I hope they don't. But listen, I got my knee out. They gonna get kneed. Well, you guys won't, but
We have to position with our
we have to position to be strong so that they don't try to barge in. Because I know that when Dimash comes, some people just can't help themselves. I hope I don't turn out to be those people.
We ever hear that he comes in.
Right? I don't want to be like a zombie. I hope so too, Carly. I hope so too. I wanna make some long life friends, lifelong.
Almost 12 o'clock.
Dimash. Okay. 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 Cleaning his glasses.
You're gonna be fine. Don't faint. Don't faint. Oh my God, guys!
He's here.
Excuse me. Step in. Step in.
Keep the line, guys.
We haven't moved. To move?
No, no, he's not.
You want to not even be him. It just takes the one person to see it.
Must have been a look-alike.
Must have been a look-alike. Oh my gosh.
Alarm. Okay, we're ready.
Yo, I need a selfie stick. Why didn't I buy one? Right? It is a screen full of screens.
He's almost waiting.
My feet are hurting.
Your feet are hurting? I'm so glad I didn't wear heels.
Let me see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Oh my God, I wish. I am lightweight. I think I weigh 112 pounds.
Still there.
Getting closer to them. They keep pushing us this way.
Get one of the cops right next to it. Don't worry
I
about
should
it.
get it for the concert.
I
I'll
don't
go
think
to the
they're
mall
gonna steal
today
it.
and grab it.
Yeah, he should just stood up there. Marta. ¿Quieren darle un saludo a Ángel, el programa de México que no
I wish it would just pop up right there.
Espéreme.
Security is ready. Yes, they're so beautiful and disciplined. Let's hope.
Ahora viene de este lado. No ha salido todavía, ¿verdad?
from Puerto Rico, from Pakistan.
Santo Domingo.
I'm repping for you guys. Let me know, I'll rep it. Cause he's recording.
Sabe que se parece un poco del...
The deers are all silent. We're just waiting, like a scary movie. Woohoo, Oregon! Or Oregon. Sorry for my pronunciation. Mexico. Mira, there's a lot of people from Mexico and Texas. That was a look-alike, yes. Oh boy, look what we got here. There are policemen. They're making sure that he's safe. Suspense.
She was saying like they were telling people to take the suitcases out. I said no.
Woohoo!
Like this my battery is gonna die just waiting.
Georgia! Kazakhstan! Yes! Pennsylvania! Oh my God, Mary Jane, see you tomorrow. Are you coming? Are you guys coming to the pre-party? I'm not sure, Liza. He was supposed to be here, but I think there's fans from other sides, and I think that he probably stopped for them. Oh my God, I hate those layovers. That's what happened to me yesterday. If not, I wouldn't have made it today.
You have to move back.
Tu bolsa está acá, ma.
Las dos.
Esas dos, yo puedo poner la mía porque yo creo que lo van a pisar. Give me a minute, guys. I have to put my bag up because I'm afraid they're gonna step on it because they are going to push over. Come on, bump up the live stream. I want to see more deers on here. I think there's over 150 deers. There are even deers here who aren't even part of the fan page or part of any page, I believe, that I'm aware of, because they don't have any lanyards. All right, I'm going to say the time. It is 12:07 p.m. in JFK Airport. It's been an hour since Dimash has arrived, but we have yet to see him come down. You're welcome, Tina. Of course, Becky, I will be your eyes for everyone.
I see the bald-headed guy. That means he's inside.
Inside?
Yeah. No, there he is. I see him. He's right underneath the Delta sign. Right there.
I cannot imagine, Leia, how many other deers are live streaming right now. It's amazing. I won't be sitting up close, but I'll try to live stream the concert as well. But it'll be from very far because I'm in section 24. I will send all the hellos.
Now he's coming.
Now he's coming, guys.
Nope, that was
No, that was a false alarm. It's 12:08. False alarm.
I think that's the Moscow Airlines just came out. The stewardesses and everything else.
He's coming.
Oh, that's why.
That is so awesome. Listen, the moment you see everyone's phones go up is when you know that he's here. So if they block your view, I'm so sorry, dears. I'm saying the deer's in the front. They're hyping us up. They're hyping us up. And it's a false alarm.
Meanwhile,
No sé, no creo. No, así esperando porque los otros artistas se van por un lado privado. Nunca se enseñan. They already told us to prepare ourselves. I had to move my bags.
Drifting apart.
I told you.
The deer's in the front. She's from
I'm from Brooklyn.
Brooklyn. Where are you from again? Germany and Switzerland. The deers in the front are from China. From Latin America, I think Santo Domingo. So Dominican Republic. Where are you from? California.
My sister's coming in from Mexico.
Yay! And where are you from?
I live in San Luis, Missouri, and I'm from Honduras.
Woohoo!
There's some over there. They're from Chile and Israel.
Wow. Yeah, I met 3 people from Kazakhstan already, but I'm sure there's more. Yes, there is. There's so many people from all kinds of places. At first I thought I was the only Puerto Rican here, but there was like 4 other Puerto Ricans. Woohoo! Honestly, I have no idea, Barbara. This is my first time being in a crowd. Woohoo, Australia! Do you guys know if the deers here, is this bigger than the other deers like in other places in airports? Are we the biggest?
Last time it wasn't as big. This is the biggest.
So from hearing from deers, they're saying this is the biggest it's ever been for all the fans coming to welcome Dimash. So Daniela, Dimash already arrived at 11:08, but it's 12:13 right now, and he has yet to show up. But security's been prepping us. Yes, security is aware about the prince. There's like policemen over here somewhere hiding. Oh, security getting ready. Security up there.
It's undercover.
Oh, look at him. There he is, guys. Look at that gun.
Yeah, I'm sure we have on the cover.
Is the glitch gone? Let me know if there's a glitch, guys. His flight, I'm not sure where his flight is from. I have no idea if he's watching this live.
Moscow.
Oh, thank you, Maria. I'm so happy the glitch is gone.
Okay, there he is. The guy told us to get out of our way. Okay.
Oh, whoa.
Oh my God.
Watch yourself come around. Watch your back, watch your feet, watch your shoulders. Back the baby up. Back the baby up, sir.
He's stuck inside. That's nice.
Is there fans inside as well?
I don't know.
Now he is. He's not stuck no more.
Guys, it is 12:15 p.m. and he's here.
He's here. And the crowd's going wild.
Woo! I haven't seen him.
Dimash!
He's here, but I think he's doing signatures or something.
Now all the people start coming down. That's nice. There he is.
Keep the line, guys.
He's coming. He's got something red, yeah.
There he is with the glasses.
Yes, he does have a red coat on.
The guy walked through. They're not letting him walk through.
They're not letting him walk through. Who, the fans?
Tiene que venir acá. Ya no puede salir.
He's still back over there.
Oh.
Tiene que venir acá.
He stopped, guys. I don't know where he's at. He's been blocked.
Cameras over here.
He's going back a little bit to say hi to others.
So Dimash is going back to say hi to others. Isn't he so loving?
There he is. He's at the front of the line now. He's over there. He's walking through. Here he comes. Don't follow him out.
I think those are the people who organized the...
Dimash! And it dies down.
Who are the people in the middle?
My arm. Oh, I see. He's got an orange scarf.
No, move back, move back.
Scarf.
Hold your positions.
There he is.
It's closing in. He has an orange jacket,
Black hair. Sunglasses.
sunglasses.
There he is. Getting closer. Dimash! Dimash!
There's so many people around. Look at that.
Did they
Not
follow
supposed to be
him?
like that.
It's supposed to be like
I think those are...
Security's are getting involved. Come on, Debbie, get a good one. Go, go, go. Dimash!
Dimash!
Take your time.
Dimash! Dimash! Put it that
Dimash! Dimash! No, we're not supposed. No, we're not supposed to follow him. Don't follow him. No. Oh my God, these people! I swear. Well, it looks like they're following him, guys, and they are not respecting. I'm here, guys. I'm here.
Where are you staying?
I know. Did he go?
Just go, just go.
Did they get in the? Did he get in his car? I guess he's in the car, and they're saying bye. I'm inside the building, guys. I'm in front of like glass. Thank you, Carly, of course. I don't want to, I was part of the airport thing to be in it, to be respectful, but I guess deers see other deers doing it and they do it too. I'd rather be in here. It's really cold outside. But there are a lot of people out here. You're welcome, guys. Of course. He did get through safely. I'm not sure if he's out there because I don't see an orange jacket, but I think he's already inside the black van. And everyone's waving bye to him. I almost shook his hand, but someone gave him a gift.
Oh, you got good.
Woo! It's gonna be crazy on Tuesday. I'm gonna stay back and try to clean because we want to show the people in New York that we are also clean. Woo. Sorry, Mama. Thank you. These are all the deers that did stay inside. Very respectful deers. A few of us. Oh, from Belarus? It's from his first concert?
Yeah, well, in the country that he gave his first concert from where he won the prize.
Oh my God, that's amazing!
But not her, she's not beautiful, just
Aww, I got it, it's amazing.
so greetings to everyone there.
Thank you. She says greetings to everyone. You're welcome. Bye. All right, guys. I'm gonna go ahead and close in this live.
So there's people from all over.
I love you, dears. You take care. I'm sorry, Melody. I'm helping cleaning.